These are vegetables we are going to use to fry the egg. The oil is in the fire already. And here is the eggs we are going to use. I'm adding black pepper, adding chicken seasoning, stir it together. I'll be using some eggs. You have to beat the egg. So now you have to pour it inside the vegetable. Don't mind the noise you are hearing on the background. We are cleaning the house, okay? As you can see, it's ready to dish out. So if you are looking for easy breakfast, egg and tomatoes and vegetable, it's good to go. Very easy recipe, okay? So it's ready. So we are eating it with bread. I'm using liquid milk to make my tea. I will be using oat boy for chocolate tea, and also I will be adding powdered milk for my tea. Okay. Yes, I'll be using liquid milk, and also I will be adding powdered milk for our tea. I add 7 spoons of pink powder milk. So I want to fry plantain, so we'll be using plantain to eat the egg. It's breakfast this morning. It's our breakfast this morning. So I'll be frying the plantain now. So I will.
Where do we don't prepare a studio?
Yeah, the food is ready now. We are going to eat now. This is the plantain, this is the egg, and this is the tea. This one is bread. Who wants to eat bread? We eat bread. You guys should come and join us and eat. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. And have a very good weekend. Have a blessed weekend to you all. From me, from here, one love. Bye and happy weekend. Bye bye.